future. We thought maybe that was the time in Paris, but he's arrived in MLS, and he is easily the main attraction. It's incredible to watch.
Because that's the point, isn't it? It's MLS, and people will say, oh, he's doing this in MLS, but other big stars have come here. Some of them have mailed it in, some of them haven't delivered in this way that Messi continues to do, Stevie.
It's because of his mentality.
Gabriele Marcotti tonight, because we will be kicking things off with the news and the reports that Liverpool have agreed a fee with Eintracht Frankfurt for the services of Hugo Ekitike. It is £82.3 million for that transfer fee. That's what we're seeing. We want to start with you, Frankie. What was your first thought when you saw this news today?
Well, I'm happy for Hugo, for sure, and I really hope that he's going to serve Liverpool the best way, and it's going to be good enough according to the price that he's been paid. But allow me to have...
And now underway in the Kingdom Arena. Dropping the shoulder. And almost looking towards the goal. Talisca's effort. Their hosts straight away with Gregor going wide to Gressel. Ruiz doesn't quite catch it. The cross in, back post. Alnassr trying to get on the end of it. Out to Brozovic. An opening here, and thumped into the top corner. It hasn't taken long at all, and Alnassr flex their muscles with the Tevio.
That's a great goal, you know, it really is a lovely finish. Strong, positive football, putting Miami under pressure, just squeezing in that corner.
Still a teenager, just 19. Thump. Here's Talisca, lovely touch, chance for two. Noah Allen defends well against the Brazilian, who... Well, they've given it away again here, and once again Alnassr punish them, and it's Talisca.
One for Alnassr at the moment.
It's grappling.
Again, you've got to have pressure on the ball, whether it's from 25 yards out or 65 yards out. But what in the world is Drake Callender doing here? Leonardo Campana step in front of Laporte. That way you can't hit this, but under no...
Gets knocked down, straight up on her feet again. Not a problem, let's carry on. Brilliant
season. Grêmio won the title. And he's still got...
Well, dribbling, I have to listen to that man.
Gressel doesn't have the legs, so back three. But once again, they struggle to evade the press, and Callender has to clutch. Abdulaziz Al-Aliwa trying to curl one round him. Gressel's cross. Suarez is loitering this time, and he can't catch it cleanly enough. The sort of chance that Luis Suarez has been putting away for about 20 years. And Messi might share, have they both been on the park at the same time?
Yeah, I think the difference there, put some more height on it.
Into the path of Alba, whose pass is intended. Gressel loses out. Aliwa. That is cross intercepted. Square. Unable to shift the ball and one at Miami, which was successful enough for him to sign permanently. It's the return. Gressel. Campana. Good effort this time. And the substitutes, Abdullah. Third as they transition from the middle one. Suarez is clipped. Not all too often you see strength shown.
But this is all about, excuse me, it's all about fitness. It's all about knowing who you're playing with.
Oh, cross comes. So Brozovic will be playing in the Euros this summer.
was good.
The free kick for it, which was delivered.
Knowing who you're playing with.
Noah Allen chopped in. I'm not sure the referee saw it because it was looking for the return as well. And there's grass in front of Telles here, who lacks the finish. And a wry smile.
Finding it difficult.
And that through ball is almost measured to perfection. Chance to strike. And again. And Aymeric Laporte prevents Luis Suarez. 3, Intermiami 0.
Esther Staubli, the referee from Switzerland, sets her watch. Gets the second half underway at the Kingdom Arena. Alnassr and Intermiami space. Al-Alwat coming forward. Couple step overs, and Calendar will dive to his left to make the save. Not enough power on it to challenge the goalkeeper.
There's been a competitive nature to this as well, as Messi has an opportunity.
Otavio coming forward, trying to get it to Talisca, broken up by Noah Allen. Otavio taking his time, sliding it through. Calendar, penalty. Calendar was late. Mohamed Moran draws the penalty. Alnassr will have a chance to make it. Talisca scores. Well taken penalty. Alnassr starting the second half as they did the first. 4-0 over Intermiami.
And he has been fantastic in this calendar year. 6 goals in the Champions League.
Miami can't buy their way out of here. And Brozovic's shots games, not including the other friendlies they've had. Let's tell us. Grimaces after managing Barca for a season. Drew back in as Miami look to find what might only be a consolation, and Suarez sees his shots fly over the crossbar. Might it have had a touch from Walid Abdullah? Al-Nassr in behind again. Calendar throws out a paw. Manchester United, although he fell down the pecking order there and ended up at Sevilla on loan last season. He's barely featured this term as Al-Nassr welcome Miami to their own 18-yard box, and this time it's Campana who can't make the most of the opportunity gifted to him. Brozovic's cross, and it's in for 5. Mohamed Moran, the one who probably should have found the net moments ago, looks one back from whence it came. And Al-Nassr are neither can Aviles. Moran with the chest touch and his follow through. Can't chase Krivtsov.